our salute to Dr. French and all of our frontline workers. I want to get back to our forecast now. A snowy night in the Carolina mountains. Here's some new video out of Banner Elk from viewer Carlene. The snow really coming down up there. Aisha, I bet the roads are a mess up there too.
Oh, Fred, they are a mess. Certainly, if you don't have to travel in the mountains, I would advise not traveling because temperatures are dropping and they're dropping quickly, which means that anything that's fallen, it will make for some really dangerous travel conditions. Here's a live look at Blowing Rock, Sweetgrass Lake. You can see the snow on the ground here. I'm a little bit jealous, but I'm not going to get in my feelings. But they'll be waking up to snowfall on Christmas morning. So here's a look at what's going on right now on radar. We still have some widespread heavier rain across parts of the area, but the rain is certainly moving out. We've got some heavier rain from Rockingham down to parts of Cheraw, even parts of eastern Anson County right now. Still widespread rain from Monroe over to Pageland and Wadesboro, just not quite as heavy. And then as we work our way closer to the metro, we're still having some light rain coming down from Concord to Midland, even back over towards Monroe and Albemarle as well. As I zoom out the view, I know it looks like we're drying out completely, but we still have some snow showers developing back to the west across Kentucky and also parts of Tennessee. All of this will move into the mountains overnight tonight. So while the widespread rain may not, or snow I should say, may not be in the mountains, still we'll have some snow showers developing. And you can see that here on FUTURECAST as we work our way through the nighttime hours. Notice the snow continues in the mountains. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, still some snow showers in the mountains. Temperatures down into the teens. Across the Piedmont, we're down into the 20s. And then as we work our way into Christmas afternoon, it is going to be a cold one. Temperatures in the 20s farther off to the northwest and pretty much in the mid-30s across much of the Piedmont. And then across the mountains, notice snow still falling. Now, it's not out of the question, although this particular model doesn't show it. There are some other computer models trying to hint at maybe a few snow flurries across the Piedmont, but even if it does happen, it's not going to amount to a whole lot. So we're not tracking any accumulation. Again, for accumulating snow, you got to head to the mountains, but don't be surprised. And then by tomorrow night, temperatures start to fall back into the teens and 20s. So speaking of the mountains, we still have that winter storm warning in effect for our mountain communities, winter weather advisory for the foothills, and we could actually see an additional 1 to 2 inches of snow as we work our way into Christmas Day. So you can see that here on the legend. 1 to 2 inches, especially some of those higher peaks and closer to the North Carolina-Tennessee border. So temperatures have fallen pretty quickly. That cold front is on the move. 50s and 60s out ahead of it. Behind that front, we're in the 20s, 26 in Bristol, 25 in Asheville. Right now in Charlotte, we're sitting at 44 degrees. It's been a windy night too. The winds have really picked up as that front has pushed through the area. Winds gusting to 40 in Boone, 30 in Lancaster. We're right at 25 and Rockingham. So when you factor in the winds, because it will stay breezy overnight tonight, it's going to feel like it's in the teens waking up Christmas morning, below zero in the mountains, and then even into Christmas afternoon, those feel like temperatures in the teens and 20s, again, below zero in the mountains. So it is going to be a cold day for sure as we head into Christmas Day, a high of only 35 degrees here in the metro. That's the coldest Christmas since 2004. We'll start to rebound a little bit. The first day of Kwanzaa, 44 degrees. We're back closer to normal as we round out the weekend with a high in the low 50s on Sunday. Fred?
All right, Aisha. Well,